This is the #1 most requested product of all time for Huda Beauty. You asked for it, we made it. Introducing the new Easy Bake Setting Spray. It's basically Easy Bake in a bottle. So transparently, I did not want to make this product. Even though it was so requested, I didn't love setting sprays before. And this is no shade to any setting sprays out there. I just want to say that. I just had not found the setting spray for me. And what I noticed when I used setting sprays is they showed my pores. Sometimes I could just feel them on my skin. The ones that I did like, they were packed full of crazy chemicals. I did not want to put these things on my face. More than ever, I want to make makeup that has really good ingredients in it. I was not convinced that you could do that in a setting spray until we made this. You're basically now taking your Easy Bake to the next level. So you got Easy Bake, you got Easy Bake Setting Spray. The two of them together have been formulated together and you get this beautiful, just gorgeous finish. I never thought I would need a setting spray, but I always look for this at the end of my glam. I just love what it does to my makeup. It blurs it, it sets it, and makes sure that it doesn't move. We use some beautiful ingredients to formulate this. So it has rice starch, which I'm not sure if you guys know, but rice starch is one of the key ingredients in our Easy Bake. And so we put that inside of our Easy Bake Setting Spray. Rice starch also helps reduce excess oil. So if you have a lot of oil production, this actually keeps your oil controlled. So you don't need to worry about shine throughout the day. What I also love about this, I feel like my makeup looks fresh from the moment I put it on to the moment I take it off. My makeup looks like I just applied it, which I feel like that's what a setting spray is supposed to do. It also has mineral clay. Mineral clay is beautiful. And I'm obsessed with clay in general, but mineral clay is perfect because what it does is it actually kind of locks in the moisture in your skin and it makes sure if your skin feels fresh. It doesn't feel dry, it doesn't feel cakey. It feels really, really good. It also has some beautiful skincare ingredients like a hyaluronic acid complex as well as niacinamide. You know how beautiful these things are for your skin. Keeps it hydrated, keeps it healthy, keeps it beautiful, keeps it even. It's also alcohol-free, fragrance-free for everybody who's going to be wondering if it has the Easy Bake scent. It does not, because it's just a little too much right when you're spraying your face, and we wanted to make sure you didn't have that. It has been proven to be 16-hour wear, so we did the test and we got the claim 16-hour wear. I'm really excited about that. It's also sweat-proof, waterproof, and transfer proof. So many beautiful things inside of this spray. We take our Easy Bake very seriously. We know how much you guys love Easy Bake and we appreciate you guys so much. So for us doing this was a really big deal because I just didn't want to put Easy Bake on to something else without making sure that it was really, really special, especially since you guys know I just came back into leading PD and I'm really proud of this. So it comes in 2 sizes. It comes in 100 ml and then 30 ml. This is the one I actually keep in my makeup bag and I love it. And I'm wearing it right now. I'm not sure if you guys can see how much my skin is blurred. It also feels so good. It feels like nice and hydrated. It also feels tight. Everything's just getting a lot of tightness and I love that. But more than anything, my skin looks nice and smooth. So a lot of setting sprays from my experience have shown the texture of my skin. Sometimes immediately after I spray my face, I look really good. And then like an hour or two later, I feel like I can see like my pores showing. So what I love about this is it doesn't show my pores throughout the day. And I have highlighter on. I put like highlighter on because I wanted to have a little bit of this like, you know, multi-dimensional shape and it's still smoothing my skin. So I'm not seeing the pores, which I really, really love. So I'm going to show you guys how to use our new Easy Bake Setting Spray. I wanted to show you guys what's really important when you're starting to use the spray. There's nothing really to it, but because it's powder based, you want to make sure you get the right application when you first use it. So there's a ball in here. You can hear that. This is to make sure no powder sits at the bottom and you're getting the best application. So you give it a good shake and then you can see how it disperses. I don't like to go really close to the face because I always feel like it will get too wet. So you kind of want to keep your elbow at like a 90 degree and then just spray like that. Depending on how much you want to spray, you can go crazy. If you want to go closer, you can. You just don't want to go too far. So when you're going very close, be careful. You don't want to mess up any of your eye makeup, but the idea is not to go too far. You don't want to get droplets on your face. And that goes with any setting spray. The great thing about the setting spray is it does keep your makeup on all day long. It will keep your makeup water resistant. Like I actually do wudu. So like I wet my face throughout the day and my makeup does not move, which I love so much. And you already have the amazing wearability of, you know, our Easy Blur and our Easy Bake, which really keeps your makeup. This setting spray actually makes it waterproof, which I really, really love. I'm just drying it a little bit. But you can see as it dries, my skin is becoming a little bit more blurred, which I love this because I feel like a lot of setting sprays actually say that they blur your face, but this really does. And part of the reason is because of the powders and the beautiful minerals and the different ingredients inside of it. And that's no shade to any setting sprays out there because there are beautiful setting sprays out there. But from my experience, because I have like pores and I have very dry skin, for me, this is the first one that actually makes my skin look smoother and more blurred and softer. And I also love that it just controls my shine. So my makeup at the end of the day just feels really, really fresh. So I'm going to show you guys how this makes your makeup transfer proof. So I just have a clean tissue and I'm just going And you can see, I thought maybe my lipstick would have transferred, but nothing transferred. I am going to do wear tests, so I'm going to keep my makeup on all day long. At the end of the night, I will do a video just to show you guys how my makeup looks. I'm going to go for a walk tonight, and it's been a little bit warm in Dubai, so hopefully we'll be able to get it under a really good test. All right, guys, so it has been 10 hours since I have been wearing my makeup. I was outside. I was outdoors for about 4 hours in the heat. It was a little warm tonight in Dubai, but look at my makeup. The makeup looks so good. My hair, not so good anymore, but the makeup, look at it. It looks so fresh. Like I just applied it. I do need to touch up my lips a little bit, but look at this. 10 hours later, guys, in the heat, outdoors, all evening. And this is what it looks like. Not bad. Not bad at all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys love this new product, our new Easy Bake Setting Spray. Just know that we made this just for you guys. I hope you guys love it.